category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the application includes mobile attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, amenities, facilities, and services, etc. Credit cards are reserved. Arrive at early, move at time, prior to arrival. The location of the property is subject to guests love to enjoy the surroundings facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share